The biggest worry for many stone polishers is the lack of durable grinding discs, which wastes time and increases costs. This green, integrated grinding disc is a real peace of mind, polishing arcs and seams to impress in just 15 seconds. It's made with premium diamond abrasive, offering sharp grit. Adding more grain doesn't increase the price, making it both faster and more durable. It's also thickened, making it more durable than regular grinding discs, significantly extending its lifespan. The disc's fan-shaped design and narrow openings quickly remove debris and dissipate heat, ensuring it maintains its sharpness and stability even after extended periods of continuous polishing. The resulting surface is smooth and even, with tight, seamless seams. It's a durable, reliable tool that many polishers ask why their tiles are so smooth. I've used this integrated grinding disc, featuring a high-quality diamond disc and integrated disc for safety and chip-free performance. I no longer have to worry about chipping with older grinding discs. It can be used for trimming and chamfering various ceramic tiles, rock slabs, and marble. A few gentle strokes create a perfectly smooth finish. This thick, high-quality disc is a must-have. Made of emery, its main feature is sharpness and wear resistance. I have never seen an integrated grinding wheel with such complete functions. It can be directly installed on the angle grinder to grind various ceramic tile shapes, and the grinding speed is very fast. The rusty scissors and kitchen knives at home can be refurbished and polished with it. Whether it is various metals, wood, glass, stone, concrete, and so on, they can all be polished with it. This integrated grinding wheel is made of such a thick layer of high-quality sand powder. It is very convenient to grind the arc of this kind of ceramic tile, and its grinding speed is very fast. You only need to grind back and forth a few times, and a standard arch shape is completed. Moreover, even if the ceramic is seriously chipped, it can be made as smooth as before by grinding it back and forth 3 or 2 times. Smart decoration masters will use it again.